Look at the wing on it, dude. That's not the detuned one that they've been showing. They had one without the wing and shit that they were testing out at the Milford Proving Grounds. You can't see the engine. That's what pisses me off. I want to see the engine. They got it covered up. I'm gonna run out of gas following this thing. I like the design of the mirrors. I'm not watching the video, I'm watching the road, and I'm not even filming. Yes! We got single LED light. Oh, it's got the same square style design taillights. Oh, no, it's going that way. Which way are you going? Let me follow you. Take some pictures. I want some pictures. I'm gonna take some video. Man, that thing sounds nice. Steering wheel is all covered up. Man, that thing is so beautiful.